Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from the absolutely amazing fermentation cookbook, which is River Cottage Handbook number 18. Covered quite a few recipes in this. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to put the playlist up there so you can have a look. What we're going to cover this week is something that is sustainable, healthy, delicious, absolutely amazing. It's going to be the Tepache. Is it Tepache or Tepache? I don't know. It is how to use up things like banana skin. You can actually also use pineapple. So it's a fermentation drink which consists of following ingredients. So you need 3 or 4 very ripe banana skin. Don't throw these away. Some fresh ginger, organic coconut sugar, a cinnamon stick, some cardamom pods and some whole cloves. Then a litre of filtered water. And then you need a fermentation jar. Really simple. So let's get going.